Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, May 8th. Today's Zen story is titled A Master's First Day. As always, I'll read it to you first and then we will do a short reflection around it. At the break of dawn, a new master arrived at the monastery. He had studied for decades, passed every test, and now, at last, he would take his place as head of the temple. The monks gathered to receive him, lining in the courtyard in quiet anticipation. An old attendant bowed and said, "Master, your chamber is prepared. The students await your first teaching." The master nodded. He stepped forward, but stopped. He turned, looking around the courtyard as if seeing it for the first time. "Tell me," he said, "where is the master's hall?" The attendant hesitated. "You know the way, master. You've lived here for many years." The master furrowed his brow. "Have I?" The monks exchanged glances. A young student stepped forward. "Master, perhaps you're joking." The master looked at his hands as though they were unfamiliar. He took a breath, feeling the morning air on his skin. He touched the rough wood of the temple gate. The sun crept over the eaves, casting long shadow on the stone. "Strange," he murmured. "It feels like my first day." And without another word, he walked off, not toward the master's hall, but somewhere else entirely. The monks stood in silence, watching him go. The temple bell rang. Now take a moment to find a comfortable position and arrive in stillness. Perhaps let your hands rest gently. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. See if you can be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. If today were your first day, what would you see differently? What disappears when you stop assuming you already know? If today was your first day, what would you see differently? What disappears when you stop assuming you already know. Which is truer, the path you remember or the path beneath your feet? If knowledge fades but the wind still moves, which is real? Which is truer, the path you remember or the path beneath your feet? If knowledge fades but the wind still moves, which is real? Now look around you and find a familiar object. Touch it as if for the very first time. Notice its texture, weight, warmth or coolness. How does that feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also, if you'd like to experience a moment of Zen in your day, try to walk a known path with new eyes and see what you have never seen. I also put this and some other suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group in case you want to play with it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.